Hey guys, starting off the morning cooking. It's currently 9 a.m. I think. The Valentine's decorations are right there. Let's start cooking. You can cook with me.
Seems like you're cooking?
Yeah. Hey Ken, I'm vlogging.
Oh. That's why you're cooking.
No, it's not.
We're doing this together. If I want to eat, I gotta help out.
Oh. Oops. Oh. I got shells in it. Squid. Squid. What are you watching? Hey guys, we just got our toast done. Squid, what color did you get? I got.
But she rolled up my pack a lot, but now.
How about you tell them how much you made our mom put in the ice cream? This was $7. Isn't that crazy? I don't know. And then she got a cone. The cone was more expensive.
No, it wasn't.
How much was yours?
It was $2.39.
Okay. I'm already almost done with my ice cream. I got cookies and cream and Rocky Road. My two favorite. My mom got us King Taco. What did we get?
We have tacos, which are for me. We have three wet burritos. Greens, excuse me. I'm vlogging a little bit.
Yeah.
Bam!
Good morning, guys. I took a shower. I was ready to chill on this Sunday morning until my mom told me that we had to garden. She's over there gardening, mowing the lawn. We already finished this side, but oh my goodness. To pick all of that up. Those oranges that fell from the orange tree, I have to pick all of those things up. Oh, it is currently like 11 a.m. or something like that. And this is what we're doing. Honestly, it's probably not even 11. Watch it be like 2 p.m. Hi guys, we're at the donut shop.
Why do you always expose me like
This donut shop has a drive-thru, so that's pretty cool, right? Spider-Man's right here with us. Hey! Oh, thanks. So we got a nice coffee. We got a chocolate bar and a cheese croissant. My favorite. Spider-Man's being mean and protective. Spider-Man, stop it! Stop! Hi guys, so I'm filming right now. So I'm filming what's on my iPhone video right now, and we're drinking coffee with reusable straws because we love sea turtles. I just finished filming. Yes, it's morning. Spider-Man is still right here. Hey guys, this is Melissa. We're going to Starbucks. She ended up picking me up. I got the strawberry refresher thingy. And then, what'd you get?
mango dragon fruit.
Mango dragon fruit. Refresh. She's calling her friend to see what they're up to.
Oh, my friend? So she's not your friend?
Oh, my friend. She's calling our friend.
I'll make it through!
Korean barbecue. Hey, wave. Hey guys, eating at Red Palace.
The place.
Hi guys. Oh wait. Hi
How
guys.
did you like so cold?
Oh, Melissa. Thank you. Melissa forgot her phone. We came to After's Ice Cream.